All right, guys, you're looking at a double cap open face. You can see that it's a border around the tooth. Basically it's double. It is a 10K gold double cap, and this one's on the right hand side of the teeth, which is also available on the left hand side, so that's up to you. But it is a custom fitted double cap set. It's designed to fit perfectly, and you'll see the natural tooth in the center there. All right, and then the gold border around it. It's available on our website, guys, blingcartel.com. Handmade, custom work, designed to fit perfectly. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.